How's it going, everybody? Martin with bei&hong Spa. In this video, we're going to be reviewing another power tool, but this one is detailing related. So pretty interesting. So this, another tool from Alloyman. So far I've reviewed their impact wrench and a mini chainsaw they sent me. This is a electric spin scrubber. It's cordless, battery powered. It's a cordless spin scrubber. You can use this to clean around your house. If you're detailing, you can use it to detail certain aspects. Now, I would not use this on your paint, but as you can see, I got a floor mat there. You can do floor mats. You can do probably your wheel wells. The possibilities are endless. You could even use this to just like, if you got a minivan, a bus, a truck, you know, any large area, and you've got those, you want to just get down and scrub. But you're like me, you're older than 30 years old, and that hurts your back. This is going to have some reach to it, okay? Some reach, some extension to it. It's going to save your back, scrub your carpets, you can scrub your couch, you can scrub your bathroom. So much you can do with this. So let's see what's in the box. They give you some nice rubber gloves, a pair of rubber gloves for cleaning. Me personally, I'm probably not going to wear these, but there are people that are more sensitive to chemicals and such. So that's nice of them to give you the gloves. You don't have to do that. You get two 20 amp or 20 volt batteries, 2 amp hour batteries. These are fully charged up, and you get the charger to go along with them. The charger does have an indicator light. It's red when it's charging, green when it's charged, and it plugs in right here, just like so. That's simple. These are the same batteries that their mini chainsaw and impact wrench take. Also, my other Chinese power tools I have, my SPTA polishers, and the thing from another company I was sent. They all fit these batteries. These are actually the form factor of these batteries is the same as Makita. So I believe these companies are using the same battery manufacturer as Makita, which is good because you can find Makita batteries in the United States easily. Or if you end up with a bunch of these Chinese tools, you're going to have tons of these batteries, even if they're not from the same brand in many cases. But yeah, you get those batteries. Here's the tool itself, comes in 4 pieces. And here are the different brushes you get. So this would be good for just general scrubbing. You know, it's multi-directional. You can get it anywhere you need. Here is a flat brush. If you're just trying to do flat surfaces, scrub it down nicely. We've got a smaller flat brush for more narrow surfaces. And then we've got this nice little brush to get in the corners and along edges, like along 90-degree edges, so it'll really get in there, you know. So pretty cool. And then they also give you this pretty nice wall mount. Let me open it up. Now it does just use 3M tape to hold it up, so make sure you mount this where you want it. But basically the way it goes in there, this can hold up brooms and everything as well. If you've ever done any sort of cleaning professionally, you know, or you know, in a job, you'll know like this is what the cleaning closet looks like. But you just take this, take off the backing, stick it to a wall, put that in there, and it holds it up in place. And it's just spring loaded, so it's easy to take in and out. These are nice and rubbery, they rotate. It's got a little rubber backing, so it's non-marring. And then we've got the instruction manual. So, electric spin scrubber, which is good. At least this manual is correct, because I know the impact wrench says cordless blower, which is but really easy to put together. Yeah, this extends up to 49 inches, is what it says on the box. Pretty simple to put together. So this is the end that the battery goes on. It only lets you put it together one way, by the way, but this will slide in. That is the wrong one. This must be it. Am I putting it together right? Oh, yeah. It goes on this way. Duh. Okay. So you see it's got the 2 arrows. You just line those up, slide it in, tighten it, good to go. You take the next one, same thing. You line up, well, this one doesn't have an arrow on it, weird. But you line it up with those lines, slide it on. And then the very end, same story. Does this have an arrow on it? No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. There you go. Arrows right on the side. Line it up, slide it in, and you're good to go. And then you simply slide your battery in, like so. This thing's kind of long, hard to get out in one shot on the camera. And that's it. The power is right here on the back. So stop is in the middle. You got high, and you got low. So you can probably hear that. So this is low, and that's high. This thing's also multi-angular, so you can have it, you just press this button to release it. You can have it just straight up and down, or you can have it at an angle. It's only got 2 locking points, so not too much on there. But to get the brush on there, as you can see, this lines up with this. So these 2 little notches line up with these 2 little notches. So you kind of put it on like a cross, I guess is what you can say. And it's just friction fit, kind of like a certain vacuum fittings. You just push it on, and it's on. Turn it on, you get to scrub in. Turn it back off, and then when you want to take it off, you just pull it off. I'll show you that with another one as well. It's on. Oh, a little bit tough to get off. You're gonna need to have some strength in your hands to get this off. Now, hopefully, maybe one day they'll update it. We'll have like a locking button to make it easier. But we're also gonna show it in action here. I've got this floor mat out of my car. It's a 3D Max Spider floor mat right here. I've actually never washed this. I keep my car pretty clean, but also these floor mats are exemplary, much better than WeatherTech at not getting stained and looking nasty. So there it is. I'm going to angle it this way. I'm in my garage, so I'm going to use some water to rinse it off. Move the camera, give you a better view. So what I'm going to use to wash it, you can use all-purpose cleaners, rubber cleaners, tire cleaners. I'm going to use this Wash Chems Pro 50. This is actually a car wash shampoo that is very, very strong. I find it's just great to spray on anything, so they dilute it in a spray bottle. Alright, that's on there. Now, I'm going to use this on low. But it's nice because I can just stand up and use this. I don't have to crouch over or anything. Turn it on and look at that. Now, it does seem to bog down a little bit on slow. Let's see it on high. Oh yeah, high it's got plenty of power. I don't want it to sling all over the place. So I'm doing this one-handed. This is very easy. Two-handed this time, just to get up here. So you can see all that nastiness coming off. Easy enough, right? Now the tool itself is not, it's not going to be waterproof up towards the battery and down towards the other side. It should be fine. But let's just take this and rinse it off. And you're left with a nice clean mat. Easy enough, right? I'm gonna throw this off to the side so it doesn't get in the water that's draining. But pretty nice tool, honestly. So thank you folks over at Alloyman for sending me this tool. I know I'm gonna find a lot of use for it because this is definitely gonna save my back. Like, you can literally just open the door to a car, stand outside and scrub the seats with it, scrub the carpet with it. You can scrub floor mats with this instead of having to crouch down. I used to crouch down all the time, but I had bad knees, and getting up is not so easy. So there you go. This is kind of just like an extended drill brush, you can think of it as. A pretty neat tool. I'll post a link to it on Amazon as well as their website. Pretty inexpensive as well. I think it's like under $100. It goes on sale often. They've got all kinds of deals, so definitely check it out. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. I appreciate you watching. Let me know if this type of tool is something that you would find any interest in. Other than that, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And keep them clean. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.